Hey guys, I want to show you how to set up the ring light tripod. So in the box, you have the tripod with the ring light and this little remote. The remote is so that you can take the photos without having to tap the screen of your phone. It works for both iOS devices and Android, and it connects via Bluetooth. So you just turn it on, little switch is on the side, the blue light is going to flash, and you just search for the device with your Bluetooth and connect to it. It's actually quite simple. It'll happen automatically. Bear in mind that this will work when you're using the camera app that comes with your phone. If you are using a photo booth app, that app is going to have its own like a start button or go or something like that. So this clicker is actually not going to work. So you will have to just use the button on your screen, which usually has a timer anyway, 3 second, 5 second, or just have someone else take the photo. But this you can use if you're going to use the camera app directly from your phone. So a couple of other things that you're going to need is obviously a phone to take the pictures and videos with. Use a little power bar, power bank, and plug that in there. And so I turn it on and I hit the power button and then the light comes on. Right? So let's show you how to set this up. So it's a tripod. It has 3 legs like so. If you want to do a tabletop arrangement, this is perfect. This is all you need, but you might need it to be a little bit taller. So that's when you will expand the legs. So to do that, this is clips at the bottom. You can, there's 3 different heights that you can use depending on how many of these you open. So if you just open the 1 clip, that's what you're going to get. If you open the 2nd clip, it goes a little bit further, and the 3rd clip gives you the tallest setting. So you want to close these, because if you don't and you rest it on the ground, it's just going to collapse into itself. These are telescopic legs, so just be sure you clip those back in, and then we'll open all 3 of these and close them. And the last one. All right, so now I have my tripod set up. Now, I might actually want it a little bit taller. It actually does go a little bit higher. So there's a knob right here. If you just release that, you can adjust it. And that is the max height right there. So a few other adjustments that you have are the positioning of the phone, which goes here. So the way that it is configured right now, the phone would go in like so. That's in portrait mode. Alternatively, I can put it in landscape mode, and to do that, just hold on to it, twist it, and put your phone in this way. You can also put it in selfie mode. Remove the phone holder, bring it over to the other side, slide it back in, and there's your selfie mode. The phone holder is expandable, so a phone that might be a little bit wider, you're fine. All right, so I've got my little power bank, it's on, and I have this little clicker here. So there's a power button on it. I'll click that to turn the light on. And then I can adjust the type of light that I want, the color. So that's a bit of that's the warm, it's a bit of a kind of a neutral color, and then your cool white. You can also adjust the intensity of the light. So if you are using one of these power banks and you want to make sure that it doesn't run out of juice while you're during your event, you can just keep the the light dimmer. The lower the light intensity, the less power it's going to draw. And that is it. That is basically how it works. When you're done with your event, you're basically going to do the steps backwards. So you'll and voila, that is done. Ready to go back in the box. Remember to turn the power off on the little clicker so that the battery doesn't die. That's it. Thank you for watching.